In this vlog, we go to Kentucky Kingdom to try to ride as many rides as we can in the remaining 2 hours that the park is open. Oh, and did I forget to mention that it was raining kind of just a little bit during our visit? Oh my god. Yeah, the storm was utterly insane, which is why we only had 2 hours in the park due to Kentucky Kingdom closing the park early at 4 p.m. and we just drove 2 hours from Cincinnati, Ohio to arrive in Kentucky Kingdom at 2 p.m. Let's see how many rides we can get in 2 hours and just how wet we'll be by the time we leave the park today. So we are on our way to Kentucky Kingdom. It's currently almost 2 p.m. and the park is closing at 4 due to the rain, which we just found out, and we already purchased our tickets. There's no like refunds or anything, which is kind of like a poor policy, but we can go in and get a rain check, but we're just kind of like not sure if we still have to pay. We'll have to pay for parking, I assume, to get in to even get the rain check. So we got a little bit of an interesting day here trying to figure out what we need to do. It's now our mission to find free parking to avoid paying the $15 needed to just get into the park in order to get our rain check. Well, we pulled in. We're just gonna ask and see what's up at the gate. So we're turning around. We might try parking somewhere else and like walking it to get the rain passes, because like, what? Oh, here's a hotel. Oh, exactly. Period. There's plenty of parking right here. Exactly. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we opted to just walk into the park, and who knows, maybe we can get on something. We at least saw whatever the bigger wooden coaster is called. I forgot what it's called. And then Kentucky Flyer running empty trains. So if anything, we could like ride Kentucky Flyer for $65.
$65 Ferris wheel ride.
Yay! So worth it, haha. We just saw them testing Flying Fox. Oh my gosh, wait, that's kind of exciting. I don't think it will be like open to the public. I'm not entirely sure. All I know is that the media day, I believe, is like next week for it. But that would be crazy. What if we ended up sniping a ride on Flying Fox? Imagine. Lightning Run looks so good. We were talking about how it looks like a mobile game, like a mobile app, like roller coaster, with how tight all the elements are. No way. We just started hearing a lift hill motor begin, and it's Lightning Run with people on it. There's people on it. Okay, wait, we can actually ride Lightning Run. Let's go. Woo, look at that air time. Yeah, you can see their hair going up. Yeah. Okay, well, it feels a little better. It's 2:30 already though. We only have an hour and a half until the park closes. So we're gonna try to ride as much as we can. Some wood for Flying Fox Station. Yeah, it's still under construction, but cool to see it testing though. Makes me so happy to see another new Gen Vekoma going up. Oh well. Mostly up. It is up. It's almost done. We made it. We're in with like, I don't know what, an hour to spare. The sign looks great. We had a bit of a frustrating morning getting here and kind of scary too, but we made it. Let's see what we can do. We may have had a stressful morning getting into the park today, but I want to share with you something to help make packing for your trips far less stressful. Shout out to Airless, the sponsor of today's video. Airless makes these incredible vacuum packing travel bags to help you save up to 60% of space in your bag. First, you pack all your clothes into however many vacuum bags you need, and then you use their adorable yet surprisingly powerful portable vacuum to suck all the air out and compress your items in the bag. Here's how I would typically pack my bag without Airless, and here's how my bag looks with those exact same clothes, now condensed down with Airless. How much space is saved over here? I have almost like a third of my suitcase still available for me to use. I absolutely love it that these bags are completely waterproof, so your clothes don't get ruined if something spills. They also double as a laundry bag during your trip to help keep your clean and dirty clothes organized. I'm so excited to use these bags during my upcoming 3 weeks of travel along the West Coast. Wink, wink. Gonna be hitting some new parks and revisiting some old parks. Use my discount code ALEX10 to get 10% off of your order and any already existing web sales on Airless's website to help make your next trip easier and a little more exciting. Thanks Airless for sponsoring today's video. I was really looking forward to see like the new, was it Meadow? Discovery Meadow or something that Herschend has added to Kentucky Kingdom. We might be able to walk through it, but we're gonna try to hurry and see if we can get on Lightning Run since we saw that running. Maybe even Stormchaser too if we're lucky. Does anyone know, is this Scream Extreme new? It looks really fresh. And I also don't remember it being here when I was here in 2023. But that could just be my brain not remembering things too. Oh, and we were able to get our rain check. Or at least we're going to get the rain check at the end of the day when we're heading out, so. Oh yay, there's a sign for Discovery Meadow. With a with the child just picking the flowers. She ripped out a whole plant. What is this? Okay, well let's check out Discovery Meadow. squirrel race. That's cute. Okay. It looks so nice. Oh, wow. They have the drop tower over here now. That's cool. It used to be over by Lightning Run to the left. This is really nice, though. Yeah. I love it. Got the Hershey feel. Yeah, this patio place is cool. Swamp water jacks. Oh, we gotta go this way. It's really confusing to get to Lightning Run right now. I hope we're going the right way. It's starting to feel like one of those dreams where you have that you're at a theme park, but then you can't ride anything and you wake up before you get to ride any of the cool rides. This park has such an interesting blend of like the rides and then the water park. They're kind of like mixed together because also to get to Kentucky Flyer, we have to go through the water park to get to it. Did you guys know that? No. Yeah. I did not know that. Silly. Oh yeah, there she goes. Well, we totally should have gone left when we were over there. There's the path. Here we go. We finally made it. The green of Flying Fox and the blue of Lightning Run do look really, really good together too. Oh my God. I'm so annoyed. Let me bring my freaking sunglasses on.
I was flying out of my seat.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, Lightning Run is super fun. I'm just really annoyed with the park right now. Lightning Run is fantastic. Had a great time. Also, the stapling's so intense. Look at Jenna's legs. Like, bro. A great coaster. Annoyed AF with the operations here.
Just right.
We love the Hybrid GTX. Wish there was more of them, and wish the one in Arizona would ever get finished too. That would be cool. It's a great model. It's so much fun and really quite smooth, like the well-built coaster.
Oh yeah, how was it in the back?
Great. The first drop was insane.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and it pulls you down all the airtime hills too, so you're still like yanked out of your seat. Kentucky Kingdom, a victim of the AI, the AI imagery as well.
Yeah, but look at those guys.
Yeah, they're cute. Here we are, waiting across the road. The other side of the park now. Yeah. I'm so sad I wasn't able to record on Lightning Run though. I was really looking forward to getting to share that because I didn't get to last time I was here, of course, but hopefully we can get footage of Stormchaser. The ride up said that Ride said no about the filming, but I didn't receive a no from marketing when I reached out. So there seems to be a little bit of a disconnect here. There is a single rider on the Shoot the Shoots ride. Homie got the Zen ride.
How embarrassing.
Whoa. It's not embarrassing. It's a Zen ride.
That's sweet.
Oh, it's called Wind Chaser now. Okay. Welcome moment. Jenna! Holy moly, those clouds look like tornado producing clouds. Oh, yeah! Whoa! Whoa! There's something rattling around. Oh my God. There's something rattling around on the inside of the car. I can hear something. Oh. Woo! Woo! Oh! Oh! Okay, yay!
I'm really excited to go on this next ride.
Dylan's not gonna go on it, he's lying. We're gonna try that one. We're gonna do the wooden coaster. Well, I was gonna say, all my anxiety, frustrations, and animosity are like alleviated now thanks to Wind Chaser.
You can see them coming off the back of the ride.
Exactly. All the bad energy like blowing off of me behind me. So freaking fun. Oh my gosh, the front, just like that first airtime hill is utterly insane in the front. And then in the back, coming out over that like turnaround, there's like you turn around and then like go down. It just like throws you so hard. What are you saying, Dylan?
Sitting in the middle, I had airtime going down the first twist.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I had just everybody. I was out of my seat going down that first hill.
Yeah, down the first drop.
First drop.
Yeah.
Airtime. Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna go and poop the ride. I remember in 2023 when I rode it, I just had a bad time on it.
I don't know what it's called.
Just like the one at Carowinds. I love this little ride though. It's so cute. I've never seen a swing ride that like sits the cars on the ground before going. Here we go, Woodland Run. I wonder if they made any improvements to it. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of really, really dark wood here. I'm not seeing any fresh planks on this thing. Here we go. Oh, there's a cute little bubbling brook underneath it though. Here we go. I love how lumpy the track is already looking.
The lovely lady lumps.
The lovely lady lumps. Oh, there goes the drop tower. Bye.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Whoa.
So far,
Here we go. Oh, okay. It's not bad. It's not bad. We're cooking. We're cooking. Woo! Wait. Oh, God. Jackhammer. Ah! Oh, fuck. What the hell? Okay, we got airtime, though. Okay, wait. Oh, fuck. No. Fuck. Oh, my God. It starts out pretty good. It starts out okay. Oh my God.
I'm distraught.
Yeah, distraught. Wow. Okay.
Oh my God.
Don't need to do that again.
No.
The first half was fun. The second half was not. The silence. Oh my God. Woodland Run was a Woodland Nope. I don't know. Don't do it.
I'm really glad I didn't do that.
It was really fun at the beginning.
It was. It was quite good at the beginning even. Like I liked it. And then you
It just got so bad so fast.
some of the valleys were just so like rusted and like I don't know and warped. And then like the valleys will really get you. And then like the turns.
Started pouring rain,
Oh, yeah.
pelting us in the rain.
And the rain was actually kind of stinging. Oh, I'm gonna take these off. I'm afraid they might poop. Dylan was chatting with one of the ride ops and he was saying that the worst part of the ride, you can literally feel it shake the station. And it's on the very last turn where the profiling is so janky and just like super warped. And Dylan, what did the ride ops say about that?
He had advised that it's caused people permanent lower back pain. So, just by looking at it, I kind of just knew.
Yeah,
And
like,
I'm trying to avoid Woody's right now too.
yeah, not good. Not good for the brain stem right now.
For the brain stem.
All right, you guys, we are gonna try again on Lightning Run. Fingers crossed I'll be able to like get some footage this time. We'll see. Stormchaser didn't care at all about the sunglasses and like it's a lot more intense than I'd say Lightning Run is, honestly. And also, I don't think I told them that I had a strap on it too. So maybe we can try to be like, yo, even with the strap, like it's secured to my head. Oh my God, I just kicked a puddle. Yeah, my shoes, my socks are wet now. I just kicked a giant puddle. I do have to shout out these pretty little things that they have here in the air. What are they called?
Leaf.
Leaves? No, I mean, but like, what would you call
Paper
this?
mache?
Colorful leaves.
No, I mean just like the term for something that's
Canopy.
hanging above you like this.
Canopy.
A canopy, yes. This cute little leaf canopy is adorable.
John.
A John. The John up there is great.
You're going. Have fun on your rain ride,
Yeah,
ladies.
Here we go. Honestly, maybe the universe was protecting my meta glasses. They might not have survived this amount of water. I don't know how waterproof they are. Oh my
That's
God.
not a drizzle.
No. We're the only ones on it too. Oh God, this is gonna be crazy.
I'm so
Me too. It is cold. Oh boy, here we go. I can't see. Oh my God. I can't see. I can't open my eyes. Shit. Oh my god, that was crazy. Sorry I couldn't bring you guys along again, but I absolutely love that rain ride though. We couldn't open our eyes. It was just pelting us like completely soaked here.
Oh yeah, you guys are gone.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Bring it out.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's not as much, but my hair.
Yeah. That was so chaotic. I loved it. Okay. Well,
I wish you could get on this.
I know, I wish I could too. One day,
No, it's an airplane.
one day, farting fox will be alive. Oh no, I just
Oh my god.
walked right through more puddle. It doesn't really matter, my shoes are so wet too from that ride. Everything's just soaked. This is gonna be a moist 2-hour car ride back home, back to Cincinnati tonight. Oops, we have a whole river right here.
Yeah.
Water. It's to the point of the day where you just embrace the wet now. Like, we're already so wet, you just have fun with it now.
Coming out of the holes on the top of my shoe. Look at that.
It's like a little sprinkler. I'm sorry, I kicked water on you.
Soggy.
Yeah, it's so soggy. Oh my gosh. We knew there was a chance of rain today, but we didn't plan for it at all. Like, we didn't bring towels. We brought ponchos, but we didn't use them. And then we also didn't even bring like a change of clothes to change into, which would have been like really smart, or just not even smart. That would have just been like a regular thing to do. But we did not do that. It had literally stopped raining and then absolutely downpoured on us just for our ride. And now it's done. There's no more rain. All right, we are now leaving the park far more moist than when we arrived. But it was a fun little hour and a half that we got here. Coasters were great, had a good time. The rain ride was unreal. And it turned out to be a really fun time. We were all angry and upset earlier, but it's better now.
out.
Yeah, it
Definitely
worked
worked
out.
out.
We had fun. Okay, bye.
Bye.